All right, so we got the mock-up engine in here. This is literally just a broken aluminum, was it a 5.3 or something?
I think it's an LS1.
Or LS1, broken LS1. But we've got that bolted to a empty case Turbo Hydra 400 or 350?
400.
400 back there. And then some standard cathedral board heads on it. But these are the headers we're using for the turbos. Turbos are going to be up here. You can see all that kind of cool stuff later. Same valve covers, intake, fuel rods, etc. This is all in place because right now we got to figure out where the wiring harness is going to go. And it looks to us that the best place is going to be right here. So I got a center punch. We're going to drill this out and start mounting the wiring harness. There's a grommet here. So I'll put the harness here, put the grommet in. That way we can start getting the electrical over here organized. We got the lengths that we're going to have in here to set up the EMS and all the CAN bus stuff. So that's what we're doing right now. Nothing too crazy, but I want to take a small video clip to show the mock-up engine. And seeing as how it's empty and it's just two aluminum cases, it's not terrible to do, to take in and out. It took these guys, 10 minutes to do it. And I kind of helped because I have a fucked up arm. But, I laid under the car and was like, it's not right. And then, that's about it. Make it right. But this is what we're working on. So we're gonna do the wiring. Once we get the hole drilled, get the wiring harness in here, then again we're gonna mock up all the other electronics and make a plate, whether it's gonna be vertical or horizontal or whatever. We're gonna figure that out as we size where each component is gonna go. So we're gonna have the relay box, this guy, this came with our Haltech harness, the 2500 Elite, the CAN bus extender, and the wideband controller, and maybe something else. We'll figure it out. But it's going to go on this panel right here. So that's where we're at.